4 o'clock.
The problem is that
Call in Desert Bus. You're probably going to get there, and there's probably going to be people who are like, I just saw you. You're going to be like,
Make a...
yeah, but
I
how
just
do I
saw you
make
got
it? How do I
sprayed
make it
with-
smart?
What the hell were you drinking?
Okay, you need to
Oh,
He was drinking
cool.
corn
that's what you
syrup
said,
with ice
isn't
in
it?
it.
It could have been worse.
How?
I don't know. I could have been drinking turpentine
Well, I
or
suppose
bleach or
filters.
something.
I suppose it's not as bad as the time that
You don't know
dude
that happened.
sneezed in my mouth.
Sweet.
Oh my
What?
god!
Who?
What?
what?
No, you
Filters
didn't.
for context.
I was
No.
at a cast party
Oh no.
years ago,
I don't know if
Okay.
I want to hear
Wait.
it.
and I was
right now.
I was
there is.
smoothing this chick.
What?
Great.
Oh, this is gonna be the best cock fuck ever.
So we were talking, we were having a really great conversation, and I'm sitting next to her on the couch, and next to me is this other guy talking with somebody else, some jerks. And for some reason I look forward, and out of the corner of my left eye, I see him,
Cocking
Like-
his head for a sneeze.
yeah, do like the rapid head motion of somebody turning their head away, and I turn into the wave. And the worst part is that I was in the middle of being clever, so my mouth was open.
What?
Send your entries to quap@desertbus.org.
Seriously?
Yes.
Great.
He's gonna regret this later.
And then yes, you forwarded Quap to contest.
I created a quap label on nested under contests.
Which forwarded from Quap.
Sorry, Cam, you were talking.
You're so famous for all of the wrong reasons.
Oh.
They're quoting you.
I suppose it's not as bad as that time this guy sneezed him.
Ugh.
Like I've had
Yeah.
people like
Get
when
those
I'm
fanfics written.
smiling and they're like speed talking. Like,
No.
Wolver Quap and Quap Garbles.
No, this was a full on.
That's
Graham,
more Quapples.
Graham, I
Sneeze.
love you, but you need to go home because you've gone mad.